Park. Gates open, they're up and racing. Tala sa umaga, draws for your lead. Then moving a party outside, Fuego. Then comes Partner. Next in line, Manpower, Easter Hope moving up. Then running down on the inside is Just Like It is Speed to Riches. Then in between runners, Okie Dokie. As they round to the last 600. Tala sa umaga by 3/4 of a length lead. Fuego is on the outside. Easter Hope now racing in third at this moment. Partner drops back in fourth. Okie Dokie, Speed to Riches, Summer Rain as they race to the final corner. Tala sa umaga, this time by about 2 lengths. Easter Hope running on the outside is Fuego. With the last 150 more to run, Tala sa umaga by about 6 lengths, followed by Speed to Riches. And finally, Tala sa umaga, Speed to Riches close between Fuego and Easter Hope.
What I say, Speed to Riches.